Welcome back, guys. We've just got in this beautiful white McLaren 570S coupe. It came in as part exchange for a Porsche Turbo S that just left the building. Let's take a look. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this stunning McLaren, please get in contact. You're going to see in the description below the full spec of the car and also our contact details. Now guys, we're also looking to buy all types of vehicles. So there's a couple of ways we can do it. We can either write you a check and purchase the car outright, or you can put it in our lovely showroom and we sell the car for you. So please get in touch if that's a service that you'd like to have. Now that's it from me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you next week. Make sure you like and subscribe. Take care.